Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Hey kids! Today we're going to draw a super cute cherry. Stay till the end because a fun surprise is waiting for you. First, let's draw one ground cherry. Now draw another cherry beside it. Great job! Tap the like button if you love cherries. Subscribe now for more cute drawings and fun surprises in every video. Now connect them with little stems. Let's add a cute smiling face. Wow! Our cherry looks so adorable. Cherries are red in color. Cherry is a yummy fruit. It's sweet, juicy, and very tasty. Color the cherries bright red.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Tap the like button if you love cherries. Subscribe now for more cute drawings and fun surprises in every video. Look, our cute cherry is finished! Amazing! You drew a beautiful cherry.